This is OwlUp, where learning happens in minutes, not hours. For a deeper journey, explore all our courses at owlup.co. Now, let's dive in. Welcome back to Chapter 2 of our series, Rekindling the Couple Spark. In today's episode, titled Building Emotional Intelligence as a Couple, we're going to explore the key components of emotional intelligence that can truly transform your relationship. So, if you're ready to deepen your connection and enhance your emotional bond, let's dive in. One tiny choice in a conversation can predict whether you stay together or split up. Your partner says, "Today was rough." You glance at your phone. You change the subject. You lean in and ask, "Tell me." Each move writes a different future for your relationship. Emotional intelligence is the skill that turns those tiny conversational choices into real connection instead of quiet disconnection. It isn't a personality trait you either have or don't. It's a set of learnable moves you and your partner can practice together. Research across thousands of couples shows that 4 abilities consistently separate relationships that thrive from those that slowly erode. 1. Noticing what you feel without getting lost in it. 2. Calming your body enough to stay present. 3. Accurately reading your partner's emotional state. 4. Responding in ways that build safety instead of fear or defensiveness. Couples who train these skills don't avoid conflict, they move through it faster, repair more effectively, and return to warmth sooner. This series will show you how to do that step by step, even if you've never talked about emotions before. Most couples never got formal training in these skills. They absorbed patterns from families, exes, or trial and error. That's why even caring partners can miss 7 out of 10 emotional bids without realizing it. The goal of this series isn't perfection. It's to help you reliably hit closer to that 8 or 9 out of 10 range research links to long-term stability. Across upcoming episodes, you'll practice noticing low-volume signals, a sigh, a pause, expanding your emotion vocabulary beyond 3 basic labels, and using small, 30 to 90-second responses that gently shift your dynamic from tension toward teamwork. Most couples jump straight into fixing the problem in a conflict and skip the step that actually predicts whether it goes well, naming what's happening inside each person in real time. This is where your first shared emotional intelligence tool comes in, the 2x2 check-in. It's simple, concrete, and it works even if you're both tired or irritated. Here's the structure you'll use together. 1. 2 internal questions, self-awareness plus regulation. Each of you quietly answers in your head before you speak. Right now, what am I actually feeling? Pick 1 to 2 words. What do I most want from my partner in this moment? Pick 1 simple thing. If you can't find precise words, use a starter list taped to the fridge or saved on your phone. Tense, overwhelmed, lonely, disappointed, hopeful, curious. Aim for at least 1 word that isn't happy, sad, angry. You're training your brain to move from blur to clarity. That shift alone drops emotional intensity for many people by 20 to 40%. 2. 2 shared sentences, empathy plus connection. Then each partner takes turns saying just 2 lines out loud using this template. Right now I'm feeling, and what I'd really like from you in the next 10 minutes is. Examples. Right now I'm feeling tense and misunderstood. What I'd really like from you in the next 10 minutes is for you to just listen and not fix it. I'm feeling embarrassed and defensive. What I'd like is a 5-minute pause so I can calm down, then we try again. 3 key guidelines keep this from turning into another fight. Keep it short. Each turn under 60 seconds. You're not telling the whole story. You're sending a clear emotional headline. No rebuttals. The listening partner only mirrors back. So you're feeling, and you'd like, right? That's it. No corrections, no counterarguments. Time box the whole thing. Set a 6-minute timer. 2 minutes each, plus 2 minutes to decide the next right step. Keep talking, take a break, switch topics, or schedule a longer conversation. Used even 3 times a week, this 2x2 check-in starts rewiring the pattern from react and defend to notice and respond. Over a month, that's roughly 50 reps of practicing clearer emotional language, calmer bodies, and more accurate guesses about what your partner actually needs. Think of this week as a mini training camp for your in-the-moment connection. Take one everyday situation, say coming home from work, and run a tiny 2x2 experiment. Example 1. You walk in at 6:15 p.m., both a bit drained. Instead of default small talk, you pause for 30 seconds at the kitchen counter and each do a micro check-in. Right now, I'm feeling scattered and hopeful. In the next 10 minutes, I'd love a hug and no logistics talk. Example 2. A mild disagreement pops up over weekend plans. Before offering solutions, hit pause and trade just the 2 sentences each. Set a 4-minute timer to keep it contained. Your challenge this week? Choose 3 specific anchor moments: after work, before bed, Sunday planning, and agree you'll run one 2x2 check-in at each. That's only about 18 minutes total across 7 days, but it gives you 6 paired reps, enough to start noticing which words and requests reliably bring you closer. Across a year, 5 short check-ins per week adds up to 260 reps of practicing clearer signals and calmer responses. That repetition matters. Even a 10 to 15% drop in misread tone or shutdown moments can shift your climate from tense to safe. To amplify gains, track just 2 numbers together for 30 days: how many check-ins you complete and how many conflicts you prevent or shorten. Reviewing that data monthly turns vague impressions into visible progress you can refine as a team. Over 3 months, 10 minutes a week adds up to about 2,000 seconds of deliberate practice, enough to noticeably change tone, timing, and how quickly you repair. Plan a simple upgrade path. Month 1, use 2x2 only in calm moments. Month 2, add it to mild tension. Month 3, try it once in a tougher topic. Circle one date 90 days out to review what's different. Before next week, ask yourself, 1. The next time my partner has a big feeling, stress, anger, sadness, how will I pause and get curious instead of trying to fix it right away? What exact words could I try, like, can you tell me more about what that feels like for you? 2. When I'm triggered in a conversation with my partner, what early signals do I notice in my body? Tight chest, clenched jaw, fast thoughts? And how can I tell them in the moment, I'm getting activated right now. I care about this and need a second to calm down so I can listen well. 3. What's one small, real moment from this week where I can practice emotional checking in? For example, asking at dinner, on a scale of 1 to 10, how emotionally full or drained are you today, and what made it that number? This was OwlUp, your daily step forward. To keep learning with structured courses and more insights, go to owlup.co. Until tomorrow!